When it comes to citing a journal article, this is the format that you will follow. You will indicate the authors of the article, the title of the article, the title of the journal, the format, the date of publication, the cited date, which appears in square brackets, and the volume, issue number, and page numbers. And finally, you need to indicate where you have found that and accessed that from. So we put in available from and include the URL address as a DOI, as a digital object identifier. The article titles follow immediately after the author's name, and the titles are in standard text and are not enclosed in quotation marks, nor italicized or underlined. As you can see from the example here, well-known journals are often abbreviated in Vancouver referencing. The example we have here is the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Medicine, and as you can see, that has been abbreviated. We would capitalize the first word of the article title, proper nouns and initials, and use a full stop to indicate the end of the article title.